Hello beta, good morning. Today we will start our new lesson. I have informed you before. We will start fourth lesson, that is heat. It is little bit easy lesson compared to the second one. Okay. So name of the lesson is heat, and topic to be covered in this lesson are: first, what is heat? After that, temperature and its measurement. And last, ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट. अगर हीट आपका ट्रांसफर हो रहा है सॉलिड टू सॉलिड, लिक्विड टू लिक्विड और गैसियस, कैसे होगा आपका वो देखेंगे हम. ट्रांसफर ऑफ okay beta. So only few topics we have to see in this lesson. Let's introduce the lesson heat. Okay, just tell me suppose I am providing you few things and just tell me it is hot or cold. Ice cream, tea or cold drink. So beta, just tell me, can you tell me which one is hot or which one is cold? You will say that yes, ice cream and cold drink will be cold and tea will be hot. आप जनरली जस्ट यूज ऑफ आइज, जस्ट देख करके ही आप आइज के यूज से आप बता सकते हो कि कौन सा हॉट है कौन सा कोल्ड है. बट ऑलवेज वी कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन और वी कैन नॉट जज द थिंग्स आर कोल्ड और हॉट बाई ओनली सीइंग. Just see the few example, then your doubt will be cleared. Suppose I'm giving you fruits, or you can say that pizza. Can you tell me which one is hot or which one is cold? No, we cannot say that, because आपने फ्रीज में से निकाला है या पिज्जा डायरेक्टली बना हुआ आपके सामने आ रहा है, ये आप देख करके बता सकते हो बेटा? नो. देन बाय हैंड वी कैन जज इट. बाय हैंड मीन्स व्हाट? टच करके बता देंगे कि अगर सपोज फ्रीज में से आया तो फ्रूट्स गर्म होंगे, सॉरी कोल्ड होगा, ये आपको फ्रीज में से आया है तो कोल्ड होगा, या डायरेक्टली आपको मिल रहा है तो हॉट होगा. सो फ्यू थिंग्स वी कैन जज बाय आईज and few things by hands. Understood beta? But let's take some more examples. Take a 3 beaker. Okay beta? Suppose it is a beaker A, beaker B and beaker C. What you have to do? Take cold water. इसमें आपको क्या लेना है? कोल्ड वाटर लेना है. इसमें आपको लेना है हॉट वाटर. ओके. एंड इन beaker C, just take a mixture of hot and cold or mixture of A and B. फर्स्ट में से थोड़ा वाटर उसमें लो, सेकेंड में से लो. अब नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? just immerse your one hand, left hand आप इसमें अपना लेफ्ट हैंड डालो बेटा और इसमें राइट हैंड. ओके, what you will feel? When you will immerse your hand in first beaker, you will feel cold, and when you immerse your right hand in this beaker, you will feel hot. And now just put both hand in third beaker. Okay beta, that activity is given in your textbook, you can see from there. Now put your both hand in third beaker and just tell me, just note it down, left hand you have put in cold water and right hand you have put in hot water. So when you will put both hand in third beaker, just tell me beta, which hand will be hot or which hand will be cold. Okay, yes, there that mixture is equal for both hand, for left hand and right hand. दोनों हैंड के लिए आपका जो बीकर सी है, that heat is equal, but you will see that activity just try to do at home, but just note it down, ज़्यादा hot water नहीं लेना है आपको. Okay, that is affordable for you, that one only you have to take. Okay beta, so first we will talk about left hand. We have immersed our left hand in a cold water, but when we will put that hand in beaker number C, we will feel hotness there, our hand will feel hot. Why? That temperature is cold, less temperature is here, that is the cold water, and that water will be hotter than this one. Because why hotter? Because hot water is mixed in that one, so your left hand will feel hot, but when you will immerse right hand in this beaker, you will feel कोल्ड. देखो बेटा, आपने दोनों हैंड यूज किया उसमें, बट ये आपको हॉट लगेगा, ये कोल्ड लगेगा. इसका रीजन क्या है? देखो, बिकॉज ये आपका हॉट वाटर था और इसका टेम्परेचर जो है उससे कम है, बिकॉज यू हैव मिक्स्ड हॉट एंड कोल्ड वाटर बोथ. सो दैट हैंड विल फील कोल्ड बिकॉज it is immersed from hotter water to colder water, so this hand will feel cold. And here you are immersing from colder water to hotter water, then that hand will feel hot. And now just tell me, you have seen here same water is hot as well as cold, then by only seeing and by using hand you cannot tell that it is hot or cold. So for different people there will be a different answer. Someone will say that, or your left hand will say that it is a hot water, your right hand will say that it is a cold water. So every time we cannot judge that the things are hot or cold. So that is the introduction of our lesson. अब हम अपने लेसन में मेन पार्ट में आते हैं. Then how can we judge that? Okay बेटा, then how can we judge that the given things are hotter or colder? Okay, first we will define heat, then we will back to the topic. What is heat? Heat is just feeling hotness or coldness is known as heat. Okay beta, I am repeating again, just feeling hotness and coldness are known as heat. So by different three activities, what you have observed, that hand is not a reliable method always for judging the whether object is hot or cold. By third activity, you have seen that one hand is saying that it is a hot, next hand is saying that it is a cold. So hand is always not a reliable method for judging the hotness or coldness of water. And next thing, we cannot touch everything. अगर कोई चीज बहुत ज्यादा hot है, so you cannot touch. So here we cannot use our hand. Third thing, it does not give you accurate result. Yes, it is a hot and it is a cold, but how much it is hot or how much it is a cold? How can we judge? If there is two things are present, both are hot, but we cannot judge by hand which one is hotter or which one is least hot. And sometime it misleads you, मतलब आपको थोड़ा सा ये misguide भी कर सकता है. जैसे in third beaker you have seen that one hand is saying that it is a hot and next hand is saying that it is a cold. So it misleads you sometimes. Okay beta. So now we will see that how heat is measured. Heat is measured in the form of temperature. Okay beta, just note it down. Heat is a form of energy that is measured by the temperature. Okay. Suppose in any object, if you are providing heat, it means that rise in temperature. If you are providing heat, it's mean that अगर कोई चीज आप गर्म करोगे तो क्या होगा बेटा, उसका टेम्परेचर जो है वो बढ़ जाएगा. सो व्हेन यू विल प्रोवाइड हीट टू एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, देन इट्स टेम्परेचर विल बी राइज एंड रिजल्ट क्या होगा, दैट ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी hot. Understood beta? So name of lesson is heat, so total focused on heat only. And when you will remove your heat removed, first we have given the heat, and when we will remove the heat, what will happen? Temperature will decrease. Okay beta? देन क्या हो जाएगा, जो ऑब्जेक्ट आपका हॉट था वो स्लोली उसका हीट रिमूव हो जाएगा, तब क्या हो जाएगा, दैट विल बिकम कोल्ड. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? सो सिंपल, यू कैन सी हियर, व्हेन यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग हीट, rise in temperature. When you are removing the heat, there is a decrease in temperature. It means that heat is depends on its temperature. So for judging the hotness or coldness, we have to measure the temperature. Understood beta? So we can say that a reliable measure of hotness or coldness is measuring the temperature. So it's a temperature will decide that object is hot or object is cold. Okay beta? So now we will define that what is temperature. What is temperature? Before watching this video, I am requesting you, please read the lesson as well. So heat is measured in the form of temperature. All object we cannot judge by seeing or by using hand. Okay beta? So when you are increasing the heat or giving the heat, then rise in temperature, then object will become hot. When we will remove the heat, then object will become cold due to the decrease in temperature. So temperature is degree of hotness or coldness of object. Degree of hotness or coolness of object is called temperature. Okay beta? temperature. अब now next question is how can we measure temperature. अब आप अपने बुक की तरफ आओगे तो आपको अब बुक में से समझ में आएगा. In our textbook, temperature is measured by a device that is called thermometer. First, temperature is measured by a device that is called thermometer. Okay beta, so thermometer is the device that is used for measuring the temperature. In next video we will see that there are different type of thermometer, that is clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer, and what is the difference and uses of these thermometers we will see in the next video. Please, if you have completed your first and second lesson, then send it on my WhatsApp number and just read the fourth lesson. It is little bit easy lesson and interesting as well. Thank you beta.